I like green, and I like the ravens, and the ravens is purple, so I did it purple, and I also like green.
Very nice. What was the hardest part about putting the rocket together?
Probably the fins,
Why was that hard?
because they kept falling off and we glued them.
For sure. Do you remember what we put on after the paint?
Yes. You don't even know.
What was it?
No.
The stickers?
No. I forget what it
We
is.
would put stickers on after it painted.
But if you do.
And we put some shellac on to make it shiny.
Yeah. Shellac. I forgot about this.
How high is this rocket going to go when we launch it?
I need to go check. 1,000 feet, 305 meters.
That's right. All right. Looking forward to launch day.
Really high, I can see it. Okay.